it's Morgan from WTI, and this is the cutest controller I have ever used. This is a Pro controller from the brand Puning. It's wireless. It supports for your Nintendo Switch, your Switch Lite, your OLED. It supports vibration and turbo, which is so fun. I love the design of this controller so much. I had been searching high and low for a controller that fits my style. And this one just had such a cute, soft feel with the brown and the tan. I just really, really love it a lot, especially if I have it like out on display in our living room with my controllers. It's so cute. It feels so good in your hands. It's so comfortable. The light up lights are really nice. You can see when it's charging, when you're connected, which player you are. So cute. Easy to charge. It uses a standard USB-C charger, which you probably already have lying around, which is great. So you can charge it anywhere in the house. I love the feel of these thumb grips. They feel fantastic. They kind of remind me of a football a little bit. They just feel so good when you're playing. I love this adorable controller, and that's my point of view.